So hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to access our portal. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to fsts.4stepsolutions.com. Kindly type in the website, and then if you're logging for the first time, just click in sign in, and you have to create an account. Okay, so let's take an example. So we have kept it very simple with minimal details for you to enter. So all you got to do is enter the details there. Name of your college. And then just click on sign up. That's it. You're successfully logged in. Now you will be automatically taken into the courses. Okay, so you can see all the courses which 4steps provides. Okay, so now if you want to access the courses which you have registered, you have to go to my dashboard. So click on my dashboard. So there is no courses which are registered here, right? If you have registered for any courses, the courses will appear here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can access your course if you have a course on your my dashboard. So now now the courses are activated. So now you can go to my dashboard and you can see all the courses which you have registered. Okay, so for example, if you want to do artificial intelligence, just click on artificial intelligence and you can start the course. Okay, all you have to do is you just have to complete each module. Just click on the left hand side and then click complete and continue. After you finish the video, here you have the sound bar, and then here you can change the quality, you can change the speed of it. Okay, if you want to go a little slow, you can reduce the speed. If you want to go faster, you can increase the speed as well. Okay, and you can maximize it and view it fully on your computer laptop. Great. So this is how you use it. Okay, and if you want to purchase any other courses with us, you just have to go to all courses, and any courses which you want, just click onto it. Just click buy, and after you make the payment, it will come to your my dashboard. Okay, great. So thank you guys. This is how you can access the course. And the other option is, if you have registered through any other payments link like Razorpay, you can check your email ID. Just check in your inbox or junk or promotions. You will get a link. Just click that link and you will be able to get into your this portal. It will ask you to enter the username and password. That's all. And every day, for example, let me sign out. So next day, you don't need to create or sign up again. All you have to do is just click in sign in, enter the username and password again. That's it. You're ready to start your course. That's all. Okay, great. So if you have any questions, you can put it in the comment box and we will help you out.